So I guess we'll do water, not tofu. My stomach is growling, even though I just fed it. It's a check. Oh, my stomach is growling. That's for sure. Oh, my stomach is growling. My stomach is growling. If we translate it, let's see what it says. My stomach is growling. Okay. Does it know my location? No, it thinks I'm at home. My stomach's growling. Sorry, my stomach is growling. I see some eggs. Yeah. Gotta do better. My stomach is still growling. I'm very hungry. I can feel my stomach growling. Yes. Oh, my stomach's screaming. Alright, pineapple. Oh, my stomach is growling. We're currently still trying. Oh, my stomach growled. Other candle doing that. Pink. My stomach is screaming, don't mind it. Oh, my stomach growled.
Have you eaten anything?
Nope.
In 30s or 40s, I know you have a phone.
Oh, my stomach is growling.
That was a deep grumble.
Yeah.
Can you guys hear that?
She's hungry.
Yeah.
Ah! My stomach is growling. What time is it? Oh, my stomach growled. And then I guess we do the other side. Oh, my stomach's growling. Okay. My stomach is grumbling. Oh, my stomach is growling, even though I just ate. My hand's a good scrub. My stomach just made a big growl. My stomach is growling. I haven't eaten today, so I should probably also eat food eventually. Okay. Guys, I'm so hungry. My stomach is like grumbling.